This handsome boy is Cadillac. He is a 1-year-old pit bull mix with a very affectionate personality. As you can see, that big tail is just wagging away. He'll stand here all day long as long as you're giving him some attention, and he absolutely loves to give you big, wet, sloppy kisses. Just a very affectionate boy. He's very alert and attentive. As you can see, he's really listening to what goes on around here. Just wants to explore and sniff and smell the world. So he's definitely looking for a home that will spend some time loving on him, but then also spend some time taking him for nice long walks and letting him explore. While he's been here at the Humane Society, Cadillac does prefer to go to the bathroom outside. He's learning to walk nicely on a leash, but he does pull when he sees something that he wants, so he could probably use some additional training with that. He is a very smart boy though. As you can see, he really listens, and he does know how to sit on command. He is just such a pretty, good-natured, friendly guy. He is going to make someone a terrific new pet.